Water at the barn is frozen, so we're getting water from our house. While that's filling, I am making bottles for the 2 lambs that are in our laundry room right now. It is so cold outside, I can't bring myself to put them back in the barn just yet, so they're hanging out with us inside. Daisy is the black and white one, and Rose is brown and white. Daisy is a week older than Rose, so she's going to finish her bottle first and try to get her sister's bottle. Now, making a bottle for 2 lambs, I'm supplementing at the barn. Got to put on all my cold weather gear. This was way too much. I ended up taking a lot of it off. First thing at the barn, I'm feeding these 2 little lambs. Their mama isn't feeling well, so I'm helping out for a little while. Next up is cleaning the stalls. It's the first thing I do every day when we get to the barn. You'll see David and my dad come in and out of this frame. They are working on getting all the ice out of the water, and then also refilling the water using the truck that we brought up. Using this wasted hay to spread out for bedding for the lambs. Dump in the wheelbarrow. Now I'm back to the second stall. I wish I was this fast in real life. These sheep will not move for me, so I have to kind of push them over. Okay, now I'm pulling some hay down to make sure the sheep can reach it all. Last stall for the day. Now I'm going to scoop out feed for our mamas, and David is taking it to dump it in. I love to pull the feed out of this. It makes such a great sound. All right, David is putting in some hay to these mamas. Now it's food for another stall. And the best part of putting the food out is that the babies play while their mamas eat, and it is so cute. I think I could watch lambs at double speed all day. Well, really, I could watch them at any speed all day. They are so cute when they bounce like that. One more because these were so fast. We did put a couple loads of sawdust down in a stall, but I forgot to record it. Now we are going to tag these babies because they're ready to leave the jug and go to the big stall. And David will carry them. I normally do this, but I wanted to record David. David will carry them, Mama follows, and then they get to go into a stall and have new friends.